are assembling the Nutcracker and Mouse King shadow box card. And I'm going to start this card by doing the box part of the card first. And I'm just folding this on the score lines. And I'm going to glue these two pieces together. I'm just going to take my time here, make sure this is lined up well. I'm only going to glue this one side for now. Okay. And now open that up. And let's glue our pieces that go on the front. So you take the smallest floor piece, glue this into place. And then for the curtain, we're going to take one of the small semicircles. We're going to line it up to the top and to the edge here of this front piece. And then the long piece is going to go in the center. Just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to put this under my mat and let it dry flat while we work on the inserts. So the front insert has our Nutcracker and our Mouse King. Okay. And let's work on our clock. So these two small pieces get glued together, layered one on top of the other, and then they go towards the bottom here on the clock. We're going to put our pendulum inside this centerpiece. And then our clock face centered at the top. Before you glue that piece on, put on your floor. I almost messed that up again. Okay, just like that. Now let's move in our pieces here for our mouse king. Whoops. So you do have an option to make the nose pink if you would like. I'm going to make mine with a pink nose. So you put the nose on first, then you put the black for the eyes on. And this is big enough if you just want to do the nose black, you can. And I'm going to give him some rosy cheeks. And before you glue the head on, you need to put on the centers of the ear. I'm going to go ahead and put his cape on. And we're just lining this up with the outside curve to his body. Just like that. And I'm going to put his head on. And then the crown you can just put on however you think it looks best. I'm going to tilt mine a little bit sideways. Like that. Now you have two pieces for the sword. I'm going to put one hand on the sword and one hand on his side. So I'm going to put his hand like there. And then this one I'm going to put on his sword. Then I'm just going to glue this like that. Okay? And now we're going to glue him into place. Okay. Now we've got our Nutcracker. We're going to glue the black on the back for his eyes. And we're going to give him some rosy cheeks. And let's pull in his other pieces here. So his jacket, you have a square that's going to glue right here behind. just like that. And then you're going to glue this onto his pants. And you're going to see that when you glue this on, he's got it does his collar for it. And then we're going to glue this to his body. And then put his head on. Now before he goes into place, you want to put his hair down. It just goes just like that. Then we can go ahead and put him in place, and then we'll do his hat. And his sword. So we can do his sword first. And just glue that to his hand. Just make sure you don't go over the edge there. And now his hat is 3 pieces like this. So the black is the bottom, and then you have the yellow or gold or whatever color you choose to make his accents, and then you put his red on top. We're lining everything up to the top of the hat, just like that. Okay? That is cut down on the amount of small pieces that you have to deal with. You know, this is very similar. This is actually the same color red, so I'm going to take just a minute and ink those edges to make the hat stand out better. There we go. So there's our Mouse King and Nutcracker. Now I'm going to put this under here so we can dry some and pull in our last layer. Again, fold it on the score lines. Start with your floor. Then we're going to glue the tree into place. I'm going to put just a dot of glue here at the top for the star. And that piece is finished. So now I'm getting out the box part of the card. And I'm going to lay this piece flat inside, tabs open. And I'm going to fold this shut and then glue it right here on the edge. Take that right to that corner. And now glue this down. Being careful when you open it not to pull it off. There we go. And you can see this is glued right here, right there on that edge of the card, on the side of the card. Now I'm going to take the next piece, we're going to lay it right on top of this one and do the same thing. Lay it right in there, fold it over, glue it down. Just take a few extra seconds to make sure that that sticks well. And now put glue on your 2 tabs. Not too much, because you don't want it to ooze out. And with this side here flat on the table, we're going to fold this side out and glue these right in place. You just want to make extra sure your glue is going to stick. Carefully. Oops, he's getting stuck here on the mouse. Okay, carefully fold that over. We want to fold it both ways. Train your paper to go both ways. And then we'll close up our card. And there is your Mouse King and Nutcracker box card. Thank you for joining me.